Hi guys, I am Sohail Ahmed. In this video, I am going to show you about the bore motor installation of my site. Here I am using the bore motor for construction and residential usage. Okay, first I am going to take the bore motor, and here I am connecting the cables with the bore motor. Here we have to ensure that the bore motor cables are connected with the submersible cable by the water resistant insulation tapes for the better insulation and to avoid the electrical short circuits at the bore motor. We connected the stage pump with the bore motor, and we are anchoring the steel rod near the bore hole or bore well to the smooth and safe erection of bore motor. Here we are using the 10 mm rope for bore motor erection, and this rope will be used for future repair purpose and installation purpose. Here we are adopting the 10 feet UPVC pipes for easy application of bore motor and easy removal of the UPVC pipes in case if there is any repair. Okay, we are tightening the bore motor pipe with the bore motor, and we are going to smoothly erect the bore motor step by step into the bore well. Basically this bore well is 240 feet depth, and we are going to adapt the bore motor only up to the 250 feet. We have to wet the other end of the UPVC pipes for easy installation. Okay, we completed the bore motor installation. Now we are going to fix the control panel. The full control of the motor is here and the water is coming out now. Thanks for watching this video.